Shopping by Schematics is the fastest and easiest way to find the exact repair parts you need. Our schematics give you the ability to quickly narrow down your search by exploring part diagrams down to the precise equipment assemblies. Then, a few clicks to add the parts to your shopping cart, and done! I'm Elle Rottinghouse, and in this Zips 360 feature of the day, I'll show you how to shop repair parts by Schematics. First, go to zips.com. Hover over the Shop Repair Parts tab. Then click Shop by Parts Schematics to help fine-tune the results. Select the appropriate category on the left-hand side to narrow down your search. Choose from car carriers, wreckers, snow removal, winches, side puller recovery systems, tow dollies, detachable underlifts, auto positioning dollies, lights, trailers, toolboxes, or fifth wheel power hitch. From there, select a brand and then select the model of that brand. If you don't see the one you're looking for right away from the list on the left side of the screen, there is a Show More button at the bottom to drop down more options. Then you can select the schematic you need. All of these options have an exploded diagram of each and every part included. Scroll down to find a table that has the corresponding part numbers to the diagram. The biggest advantage of using the schematics page is that you can order the repair part you need straight from this page by simply choosing a quantity and adding it to your cart. Zips AW Direct strives for quality in everything we do, so we want to make shopping with us a simple and enjoyable customer experience. To quickly locate the part you need, explore the parts diagrams at zips.com/part-schematics.